So you had a whole folder of these icon files on your computer, and you accidentally deleted the whole folder. Now you need M for a short video, but can't find him anywhere. What do? No worries, Bitwar is here to save the day. Just head to the Bitwar official website by typing the URL into your browser. Once you're on the site, scroll down a bit until you see the Win version button. Click that to download the software. Fire up Bitwar, then use the Deep Recovery feature on the interface. Pick Drive E as the target drive. Hit Next. Under Recovery Types, check the Images option and start the scan. By the time you finish half a cup of coffee, the scan will be done. On the right side, you'll see all the scanned image files. Click the Preview button at the top to check the actual content of each image. Scroll through to find the ones you lost, check all of M, then recover M. Just save M to a custom location on your computer. The software will say it recovered 8 image files. And when you preview them, there's not a single thing missing. That's Bitwar's Deep Recovery for you. Subscribe to us to learn more about the software.